Hi sweeties, it's Elle and welcome back to my channel. Before I get started on this video, I just wanted to say thank you guys for all the support and all the well wishes and congratulations for my last video, my big announcement that I'm going to Otis College of Art and Design next year and I'm moving to LA. That's not going to happen for another year, and I thought in order to celebrate I can enjoy my time going to LA in September and seeing BTS. We're going to see them day 4 in LA, which is the September 6th, and I got to get my concert bag ready for the concert. So here's my concert clear stadium bag. I've been using this for years. I got it on Amazon before the pandemic, so I'll leave a link in the description for this particular bag. I've used this for all sorts of concerts, not just BTS, but right now it's decorated to the brim with BTS merch, and it's particularly RM and J-Hope because those are my biases. And I will go ahead and show you guys what's in the bag. First of all, although I have to clean the bag, it's kind of grimy and been in storage for a bit. And I also want to break down all my decor, all my Eat a Bag features of it being a clear bag, and also what I carry personally as a fashion design student, as a person with health issues, and as a big BTS fan. So stay and watch and join me for the ride. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some Clorox disinfecting wipes just to wipe down this bag because it's kind of dusty and kind of has a couple minor stains in here. And let's just get it all clean. One sec.
Tonight, didn't think I would get hooked. If you fill me in without a fight, now floating in the air. When you're looking at me, baby, all this isn't fair. Getting closer, getting closer to you. 입술을 깨문 네 모습 보면 내 심장도 부탄 뛰게 해. 회사 따위 필요도 올라가는 템포 그냥 이대로 가면 vibe check. 밤이 끝나기 전까지 내 곁에 같이 있어줘. 본능적으로 up, let's get down right now.
So hi, we're on an aerial view or bird's eye view of my desk right now. But first things first, while my bag is drying from the wipe down of Clorox wipes that I did on it, I wanted to show you guys what's in my actual bag before I decorate it and put all the stuff in here. So first things first, the biggest and most important thing that I pack in my concert bag is a foldable seat. I got this from Daiso years ago. I don't even think they sell this anymore, but basically it folds out to be a little stool. Technically you were supposed to use this for laundry, but I use this because I can't stand for long periods of time because of my back injury. So I have this just in case if we're in line and we're staying, if we're in line and just waiting for the concert to start, or if I need a break and I can't seem to sit down anywhere and I don't want to sit on the ground, this is what this stool is perfect for. And you just need to pop it up like this and it folds flat like that. So that's that. That's the biggest and most important thing that I put in here, so that way I'm more comfortable and able to relax while I'm waiting for the concert to start. And then next is the next most important thing, which is my army bomb, or my light stick, BTS light stick. This is the version 3, I believe, version 3 light stick. I don't think it has batteries in it. Oh, it does have batteries in it, which I will change closer to the actual concert. But yeah, this doesn't sync up to the concert lights anymore, so but I'm too cheap to buy the new version of the Army Bong, so I'm gonna stick with mine's perfectly good Army Bong for the concert. So yay, OG BTS Army there. And along with the Army Bong, I also use the Army Bong dust cover as a toiletries bag. So let me just show you what I have in here. So let me just spread this out really quick. I have an array of things that I need for this concert here. Let me see here. Just make sure everything is out of here. Perfect. Cool. So I'm gonna put this back in the bag in a second, but here's an array of stuff that I have in that little dust bag. First things first is that I have extra batteries for everybody in my party, just in case. I know everyone's gonna bring their own extra batteries, but you can never be too safe and sorry. I also have natural sensitive wipes because the bathrooms can be gross. Sometimes they don't have soap or water or anything like that, or not soap and water. Sometimes they don't have soap in the bathrooms, so, and I get kind of grossed out by using public bathrooms, so I have some wipes just in case. This is for skin and surfaces, so this is really nice. And I have a little Tide Oxy pen for stains and stuff if you eat stadium food. I have a bunch of different hair ties that I can use for tying up my hair, or for another army needs one, plenty of that. I have this We Bare Bears napkin holder thing, just in case I need to wipe my hands or pick up something. Speaking of hands, never forget hand cream. This is an aloe hand cream that I got from a friend. And some Vaseline lip therapy, lip balm, and some eye drops for contacts wearers. So that's very important to me. So that's what's in my little Army Bong dust bag. Let me just put everything away now. Perfect. So that's the dust bag. There's the Army Bong, and this is going to be the wallet that I'm going to be using for the concert. It's my Trivia Just Dance J-Hope wallet from E&J, I believe. Yeah, E&J, I think. This is a discontinued wallet that was based off of the Love Yourself album, and I have J-Hope on here because he's one of my biases. And obviously I'm not going to switch all my cards in here just yet, but this does have my LA tap card that has a little Mamamoo sticker on here, which is so fitting for my J-Hope wallet because of the yellow and stuff like that. So yeah, that's the wallet I'm going to use for that night, and the rest are all decoration. Let me just move this to the side really quick because these are the most main important things inside my bag. But next is decoration. So I have not one, not two, three, 4 keychains that I'm going to put into the little Ita bag pocket that's in the front of my bag. These two were my first BT21 official keychains, plush keychains from the Line store in Hollywood. So I got these years ago. And then these are the newest editions, this Mong and Koya McDonald's Happy Meal toys that just released last month. And I'm going to use that to decorate. I also am going to decorate with, one second here, with my pins, my RM and J-Hope specific pins on here. If I remember any of these vendors or these stores that I got these pins or like any of these toys or decorations from, I'll link them down below. But yeah, I have an RM Indigo cassette tape pin. I have a J-Hope or Hope World mixtape cassette pin. And then I have a little, if you guys know what song this is Home. These are the lyrics to Home by BTS. Unfortunately, it's a band song, so I may not be able to see that live ever again in my life. But I was able to see it live during the Love Yourself tour, so I'm happy. The other things I'm going to decorate let me get these out of the way, that I'm going to decorate the outside of the bag with are my photo card holders. And so far I have 2 of RM and 1 of J-Hope. Again, if you guys are interested in where I got these photo cards or where I got these photo card holders, I'll leave them a link in the description below for them. But yeah, here's J-Hope, here's RM, and here's RM again in this cute little koala photo card holder. And then the last things I have are this traditional Korean keychain. I believe they're called nore or something like that. This was made by a store or an artist called Unique Design. I'll also leave a link in the description for where you can get this. I don't know if she's still selling these, but I was able to get one a long time ago during one of the army events back in May. And of course, to be sanitary, I have my Touchland Power Mist. I believe this is blue sandalwood, and then it comes with a little purple cat case, which I think is so cute and so on brand with me as a cat mom and as a BTS army. So those are all the things that are in and decorating my bag, my concert bag. So once this bag is dry, I'm gonna go ahead and, oh, it actually dried pretty well. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack this up. So give me a second to do that.
Snap, this is picture perfect. Really got me thinking you and I could be something. Pressed all the right buttons and now I'm done searching. Damn, 다른 여자랑 비교 안 돼, no competition. Sweet like gelato 되고 싶어 Valentino. Rockin' on a high note, got a loving is soprano. 너 만나고 나서 절대 놓지 않아 봐도 다른 여자는 없어 no. Cause you're the one and only girl. Promise, I ain't tryna play games with your girl. Honest, you are not a side character.
So that's going to be my video for today. This is my packed BTS concert bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video where I'm going to use junk journaling as a way to pack my capsule wardrobe for my LA trip in September. Be sure to keep an eye out for that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, sweeties.